How to disable sensitive content and enable filtering in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can disable sensitive content and enable the filtering in Telegram. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you do not want to see sensitive content within your Telegram account or the app, and you want to enable the filtering process that Telegram does by itself, it is very simple to find it. What you have to do is open up the Telegram application, and this is the interface that you will see. Tap the three lines icon from the top left and go to Settings. From Settings, go to Chat. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see it says Show 18+ content. In my case, it is enabled, which means filtering is disabled. So if you want to enable filtering and disable the sensitive content, just turn off the toggle next to Show 18+ content, and next time you will not be able to see 18+ or sensitive content on Telegram. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.